Hello friends, this is Durga again from Technology Mentor / ITversity, and as part of setting up plain vanilla Hadoop on a VM, we have downloaded and installed Hadoop. We have compiled native libraries, we have set up HDFS, and we have set up MapReduce uh, with job history server. And now we will see whether our application, which is developed by us, can will run on this new Hadoop cluster. And even for that, we have copied the data onto the plain vanilla Hadoop cluster and also the jar file. So before running our jar file on our data set, we have to copy the data into HDFS. So uh, you can use Hadoop fs-put command and then copy this directory raw data into the uh, into the user space called user root, which is in HDFS, and hit enter. It will take a while to copy all the data set. So the data is copied. You can validate by running Hadoop fs-ls. You will see raw data directory in there. And now we will actually run a MapReduce application which is developed by us. And if you want to see how these applications are developed and understand all the APIs in MapReduce, I will highly recommend you to go through my playlist in my channel. Which says Hadoop MapReduce application development using Java, and it is quite elaborate. It covers most of the topics, and also you need to have Eclipse like this. And if you want to set up Eclipse and as IDE, there is another playlist called Getting Started. Getting Started Hadoop MapReduce programming using Java. This will cover the basic prerequisites that are required to run our MapReduce applications. Here it talks about setting up Cloudera Quick Start VM. Instead of that, you can actually set up the plain vanilla Hadoop and then go to the other playlist which I have shown earlier to run the MapReduce applications, to understand, develop, and run the MapReduce applications. That being said, I will be running this program called top 3 stocks by volume per day driver, and that is part of this jar file. So Hadoop jar nysc, and then the class name we have to give it with the package name. I'm copying this package name, and then I'm copying this class name from there. And then we have to give the input path. Our input path is user raw data and user root raw data. Actually, this application takes 3 parameters. First one is the input path. Second one is the um, pattern. So in our case, we have 6 directories in our input data set. Let me show you. Shell, new tab. So this is my location, and we are talking about raw data. And you can see that there are 6 directories here, and I want to test my program only on subset of directories. So the second parameter after the input path will take the pattern matching. In this case, I just want to run from 2010 to 2013. I want to discard 2014 and 9. For that, you can actually pass the pattern saying 201 0 to 4, 0 to 3, and then you have to give the output. So output path, which is user root nysc output nysc, and hit enter. No input path specified. Okay. there is issue with the path. Here let me say I think I have to give the slash here. Yeah. So you can see that it is actually processing 10, 11, 12, and 13, 4 years worth of data. And we are using something called combined text input format. That's why even though we have 1043 small files, it is using only one split. And don't worry if you don't understand all these things at this time, you can go back to my playlist about Hadoop MapReduce application development, and all these things are clearly covered over there. But our testing is working without any issues. So we have built the jar using the Eclipse with Maven plugin on our PC. We have copied the jar into the Hadoop cluster running on a VM, and we copied the data and we are running our MapReduce application, which is developed by us. It's almost there. If you want, you can actually use this URL to keep track of your job. It is finished, so you can look at the counters and understand how many input records are there. So it has 2.7 million records that are processed as part of this program. Okay, and it has quite a bit of other details also, which I don't want to get in at this time. So we have validated everything. Our Hadoop cluster is working fine. And as part of the next video, probably I will try to explain how we can set up compression on this. Already we have compiled the native libraries, and the and our plain vanilla Hadoop VM is capable of using native libraries, and I will show you how you can actually enable compression on it, and uh, we will test our already developed MapReduce application which uses compression on this plain vanilla Hadoop cluster. Again, this playlist which I am talking about, plain vanilla Hadoop setup and development, will not deep dive into the MapReduce application development using Hadoop APIs, but it will only talk how you can use plain vanilla Hadoop. If in your case you have limited resources or lesser powerful computer with you. That being said, I hope you are enjoying the content so far on my channel. If you like a particular video, please click on the like button. If you want to provide feedback or ask any technical question, please use the comment section of the video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. You will see a lot more content than just Hadoop and big data. Thank you. Bye.